slow. So don't you worry about a thing. No need to worry about a thing. Whoa, did you know?
Going to Roatan with all of you for a week is by far one of the greatest privileges I have in my job, to be able to wake up every morning and watch all of you approach those kids with such open hearts and open minds and love, and to just give and give and give is something that I've never seen on Penn State's campus the way that I have in La Colonia. And to know the way that that community has impacted you and changed your lives, and to have been a part of that experience alongside each of you, it's something that I'm incredibly grateful for.
The quality of your happiness is not dependent on your circumstances. The quality of your happiness is dependent on what you do with your circumstances. And you all this week have done so much to help these people look at their circumstances in a whole different way. Because of you and the impact that you've made on this community, they see their life with promise and purpose and hope. The road is a metaphor. It's literally a place for them to get to, and metaphorically a place for them to dream of getting to. You are helping and have helped this community look forward. Thank you for all you've done.
The long drive, the coastline, looking at her first light. Am I still on her mind? I've been undone. Oh, Saturday sun, I met someone out on the west coast. I gotta get back, I can't let this go. Saturday sun, I met someone, don't care what it costs. No ray of sunlight ever lost, ever lost. Ba-ba, 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 ba-ba. And still the memory's right there. She put the breeze in my hair. No kiss was softer.